Hey there, Damian Milner, the IT Administrator with Future Problem Solving. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in as a coach and view your student work. So first thing you're going to do is go to FPSOnline.org. In the top and the bottom, there's a coach login link, or you can click in the middle to log in now. If you click in the middle, make sure you select coach as the user type to log in with. Now, once you land on your dashboard to view your student work, you're going to go to the left-hand menu and click on View Work. Now, you might have a lot of different listings here based on how many teams you have and how many competitions they're in, but they all work pretty close to the same way. So I'm going to show you an example of each. So if we were to do a global issues scenario, here, these are all virtual books, so you can see they're doing the work in the system. There's a project status here, and in order to see their work, you would just click the View Booklet button here, and it would open up a window with that booklet, so you can click on the various steps, or you could click the Export button here to export their work. All right, if they happen to upload their work, and they didn't do it in the system like you see here, okay, they would have a file that you can click on like this green bubble. And if you click on that bubble, it'll download the file for you, or it might open automatically where you can save and download that file. And that's how you can download that work. Now, if they're doing a community project, it'll work pretty close to the same way, where basically you'll see the green bubble here because most of their work will be uploaded. When you click on the bubble, instead of it downloading the file automatically, you're going to get the cover sheet window here with all of their information. In order to download this particular file, you're going to go right here where it's got the file name, and you're going to click that file. Again, it's going to act the same way, where it's either going to download to your computer where you can open and view it then, or it'll open automatically and you can then save that file. All right. Similar for scenario writing or creative writing, you'll have your green bubbles here because they'll be uploading some work, and then some will be done in the system. So if they upload their work, you're going to have a green bubble to click on, and it's going to have their cover sheet information here. And again, right here at the top under here is going to be where their link is. You see that file name, click on it, and it's going to download and save for you. And similar, if this is work that they've uploaded, what you would end up seeing is you would see, or I'm sorry, not uploaded, but the work that they did in the system, like a virtual work in the system, you're going to see the same thing here, a View Booklet button with an Export button. And that's how you're going to view their work that they've done in the system, and that's how you're going to export it as well. Let's see if I can find an example. Here we go. All right, so this one's done. So you click View Booklet. Here's the work that they have done. And then if you click Export, that's going to export that work. And then storytelling or scenario performance is a little bit different in the sense of there's not much to download. Most of these are just going to be directly in the system. So if it is in the system and submitted, there's going to be a cover sheet that you can click on and pop up, and it'll have a link to the video. And also here, this is more than likely going to be a file that they uploaded that's going to be a publication release file. So I hope you found this helpful on viewing work and downloading work from the various programs and competitions offered in the system. Thank you for your time. I hope you'll stick around and watch some more videos on FPS Online. And thank you for your time. Have a great and positive day.